Okay guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuilds Garage, and today we got Andrew with us with this sick boat, and he's going to tell us more about this boat and what he did to it, all the components. So be sure to follow him on Instagram. He has all behind the scenes of all the close-ups and everything he's been doing to it, all the short clips, and him out in the lake.
I got an Instagram on my story. It's got a chronological order, every picture of the entire build and the order I did it. So you can go onto my Instagram, S1000_pilot, and you can check out the full story on there that shows everything that was done through the course of 4 months.
Let's go take this thing out first, then on the river. Damn. That's it, is it? right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys like this kind of content, something different. It's an awesome boat. We're gonna try to find other cool things that people have built like this and film it. So thanks again to Andrew for letting us film.
And thank you guys for
showing us
coming out
his build. And if there's anything you want to add to the end of this video, and
if you got any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram, S1000_pilot. And yeah, I got a chronological build series on there, so you can see step by step what I did. And yeah, I'm always open. If you got questions, hit me up.
There you go. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.